Hi guys! Our beautiful solar fountain has turned black after a few hot and cloudy days we had. With no sun, the solar fountain essentially becomes a bird bath. Algae forms faster when there's no running water. Stagnant water attracts insects who start laying eggs in it. This is how we ended up with these tiny worms in it. A thorough scrubbing is much needed. We usually just top up the water and use the jet nozzle on our hose for a light daily cleanup. As we learned, a thorough scrubbing once a month is required. Take your time and clean it thoroughly. To help remove the buildup, I am using a solution of vinegar and water. The ratio is 1:5. I will let it sit for at least 20 minutes, then drain it. The pump needs cleaning as well. I am glad I have my waterproof pants on, as this is a messy job. Finally, the fountain is clean and ready to be used again. Hope this helps and see you in the next video.